How to reset Microsoft Photos application in Windows. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly you need to head towards Setting. So use the shortcut key Window plus I to open Settings app. From the left hand side menu, go to Application, then go to Installed app. Once you do, in the search box simply type Photos. Then once you see the option of Microsoft Photos, simply click on the three dots beside it. From the menu, go to Advanced option. In Advanced option, scroll all the way down. There you will see the option of Reset. Simply click on it. Before that, you can also click on Repair so that this application has any problem, it will be fixed automatically. Now, simply click on Reset below it and then you're good to go. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.